BJ Tanan!
araw masusulat ko kaya ang kanta na bibili ng bahay.
I'm Benjamin Jacob El Baluyon and I'm 17 years old. And my hobby is playing mobile games and collecting figurines.
Hi, I'm Katrina M. Santos and I'm 16 years old. And my hobby is I love driving a car, motorcycle, and mahilig ako matulog. Yun lang.
Yun na. Sabi niyo siya, nakikita ko.
Ay, sorry.
Hello, my name is Denise Nicole Lansangan and I am currently 16 years old. I love playing volleyball and watching basketball. I also like reading romance comedy to feed my delusions. And I also like singing, though I don't have the talent for it, but I think passion is enough.
Hi, my name is Kalia Nina Ocampo Castellanos. I'm 16 years old and my hobbies are singing, makeup, watching K-dramas, and also ginagawa kong coloring book yung buhok ko.
Hi, I'm Micaela Amtamanya, 17 years old. My hobbies are watching TikToks and listening to music.
RRL. Anong meaning ng RRL, Denise? Retouch lang.
Sa Shibuya o sa may cafe na kapibara.
Okay na ba, Tamika?
Tayong magritaya.
BJ, 10 years from now, nakikita ko sa sarili mo na magiging successful ang business na pangarap mo. At matupad ang bawat collection na inangas. Hi, I'm Benjamin again, and this is my message for you, BJ. I hope you can still fight for whatever challenge you've been going through, especially your English skills. Has your English skills improved? Because here in your senior high life, you've been challenged with a lot of English subject. What about the business? Did you make it? Because at the age of 17, BJ, you are planning to start your own business. Has Dad already supported you in the business you really wanted? The toy shop you've been dreaming since you were still a kid? Hey, I'm passing this phone to someone who is iyakin.
10 years from now, I see myself as a successful dentist. Yun lang. My message to my future self is, lagi akong proud sa'yo. Promise, lalakasan ko yung loob ko para hindi ka mahirapan. Sana di ko na umiyak sa malilit na bagay lang. Sana isipin mo yung sarili mo, bago yung ibang tao. Sana ma-achieve natin lahat ng goals natin in life and mabigyan ng magandang future si mama at si daddy. Tapos, yun lang. Tsaka huwag ka na mag-beg para na magstay yung tao sa'yo. Relationship man or friendship. Yun ba? Bye. I'm passing these phones to someone who's laging gutom. Uy mo bakla! I see myself 10 years from now as a successful flight attendant. Message for myself, kayanin mo lahat ng pagsubok kahit ano pa yan. Ilugar ang pagkaiyakin. At wag na wag ka magbibeg sa taong ayaw sa'yo. At sabay natin tutuparin yung pangarap natin para sa pamilya at magiging pamilya. Yun lang, walang susuko. I'm passing this phone to someone sobrang tangkad, bakla, sobra as in, gano'n.
Sobrang tangkad. Grabe sila, oh. Matulog kayong nakabukas yung mata nyo, ah. Sige. Okay. So, I see myself in 10 years as a crime scene investigator and I hope I am able to achieve that. My message for my future self right now is, though you're still figuring things out and you used to play volleyball a lot and you used to take it seriously, but you quit but you still play it for fun right now, and I hope wherever you are right now, you've decided to get back into it. Though I think I doubt it. And let's not forget about your obsession with romance comedy books. are you still feeding your delusions? Delulu ka pa rin? Wag naman. Wherever you are right now, I hope you're happy. I hope you've grown and learned and kept that passion for life. And if things ever get tough, remember you've made it this far. Hopefully you'll figure things out, and I hope you don't be so hard on yourself. And for my mom and dad, I am sorry for having a stubborn daughter, but I hope you knew deep down she was struggling, and I hope you knew she was only fighting because of you but not for herself. Yun lang. I'm passing this phone to someone na napakaingay, sobra, as in, like parang naka-speaker yung bibig, ganon. JBL ang atake. Sige, siya na.
10 years from now, nakikita ko ang sarili ko. Lawyer talaga eh. Lawyer. Talaga. Perfect. Matagal mo nang gusto yan eh. Ay. Hey, future self, kamusta ka na? Have you chosen your path? Kasi ngayon, nagtatalawang isip ka talaga. Hindi mo alam kung lawyer ka ba, itutuloy mo ba yun, or accounting. Sobrang hirap ng gusto mo. Talaga naman. Pero kung ano man yun, I hope you're happy and fulfilled. Siya nga pala, nakapag-give back ka na ba sa parents mo? I want to remind you to never lose hope. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because that's where the learning happens. And most importantly, never doubt yourself.
Yun lang, sir. Sana, thank you for listening to our message.
Yes.
Yan yung mga OA na pinagsasama.
Tapos last year, ay next year, no, bigla kang na-confine, nabangga, nabugutan.
Sabi siya yung pinamatangkad eh.
Ay, perfect.
Galing ah. Sabi ko sa'yo, matulog ka na nakabukas yung mata mo talaga.
Paano yun ako?
Ayun lang, sir. Bye-bye!